Hi! In front of me is INFINIX Hot 20i, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to printer. You need to start by opening Settings, then click on More Connections. Now tap on Printing over here and click on Default Print Service. After that, just wait. Your device is now looking for a printer. When it finds one, it will connect to it. If you want to use different print service, you need to disable this one by choosing this screen switcher and going back. Now tap on Add Service instead and install the best one for your printer, in my case HP one. When your service is ready, click on the back button twice. Now just click on your service and wait as well. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!